Today I have connected a single stage RC coupled amplifier, which is also called as Common Emitter Amplifier. The main component of this amplifier is the transistor itself. So transistor which I have used to connect this circuit is BC547 transistor. It has 3 terminals: collector, base and emitter. Collector is at the left end, base is at the middle pin, and emitter is at the right hand side. Then other components which we needed are 47 kilo ohm resistor, 1 kilo ohm resistor, 10K, 470 ohm, 22 microfarad, 2 10 microfarad capacitors, and a load resistor which is being placed at the output section. Here I have given input from the function generator. I have given amplitude of 50 millivolt sine wave with a 1K frequency and a DC power supply of 12 volt. In the breadboard, I have taken this part as the positive section and this here as the negative one. Now, as per the common emitter amplifier, whatever input we give, we'll get an output which is 180 degree phase shifted. So as you can see, this yellow color is the input signal wave and the blue color is the output signal. So you can see the amplitude difference as well. This has a lesser amplitude, and the output of the common emitter amplifier is having a bigger amplitude when compared to the input signal. So here you can see the input signal. Yellow one is the input signal, where you can see it is 180 degree shifted. The output signal is 180 degree shifted. So in order to find the frequency response for the common emitter amplifier, you will be increasing the frequency, and you can change the amplitude of the output signal varying, and thus you will be able to find the frequency response and draw the waveform.